Hey there folks, I can't wait to share today's exciting journey with you, so let's get started. But first, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Today, I took a much needed break from the hustle and bustle of city life, escaping to the serenity of the Scottish borders. Stepping off the X95 bus from Edinburgh, I started my journey in the charming village of North Middleton. My time there was brief, but it was truly memorable, filled with friendly faces, and of course, horses. A lot of horses. You know how much I love horses, right? In fact, one of those lovely creatures even come over for some snuggles. My main destination, however, was the majestic Borthwick Castle, standing tall amidst the stunning landscape. This 15th century fortress has a fascinating history, from housing the Earls of Bothwell to providing refuge for Mary Queen of Scots during her turbulent reign. Not to mention the time Oliver Cromwell's forces attacked and left their mark on the castle walls. Just imagine the dramatic events that unfolded within these ancient walls. As I continued to explore, I stumbled upon the equally enchanting parish church adjoining the castle grounds. I couldn't help myself, but I was captivated by the harmony between these two historic structures, standing shoulder to shoulder for centuries. Now, you might think it seems all, but no. Venturing off the beaten path, I discovered that the Borthwick Castle is also a popular wedding venue, although unfortunately not open for the general public. My adventure took an unexpected turn when I realized I have to wait 2 hours for the next bus home. But with my luck, I decided to try my hand and hitchhiking. And guess what? The very first car stopped to give me a lift. I must have had the same luck as the horse that got the pet from me earlier. A huge thank you to the lovely stranger who brought me closer to better bus connections. So, there you have it. My day exploring the historic Borthwick Castle and its delightful surroundings. From the tranquil village of North Middleton to the kindness of strangers and even a little horseplay. It was a day filled with beauty, history, and the unexpected. And remember, if you enjoyed this adventure, be sure to subscribe for more amazing experiences.